struggle, and there's beauty in the pain. So if love is a struggle, I guess there's beauty in everything. There's peace in a heartbreak, and there's fire in the rain. So if everything means nothing these days, baby, then let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. 3 a.m. and I keep waking up from the same dream. Never thought anxiety would change me, but everything that goes up must come down. And every time I think I got it made, I drown. I wish that it were different now, but that's how it's gotta be. So let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Yeah. I close my eyes and lightning strikes, so I won't sleep till I get it right. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain all night. I close my eyes and lightning strikes, so I won't sleep till I get it right. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain all night. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain down. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain down. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain down. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain down. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me.
Call me when you're free and we can start our own party. So let's go live it up like it's 1999. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like to know what you're thinking, but I'm kinda shy. I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, and I'm not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control the way you make me dance in the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you and me. When the night is over, say you just can't control the way you feel with me. But I can tell that somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine. Tell me everything, like how she makes you so happy. I'll listen patiently for you before I leave. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like the way that you're thinking, but I'm kinda shy. I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, but you're not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control the way you make me dance in the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you Somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine. Call me when you're free and we can start our own party. So let's go live it up like it's 1999. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like to know what you're thinking, but I'm kind of shy.
Hey guys, I just came back from a solo coffee date. It's been at the back of my mind for too long. I genuinely feel so refreshed right now. This is something that I do every 2 months, 3 months. I basically go to a coffee shop, book cafe, or to a library. I take my notebook, take my planner, and take my pen. I grab my coffee, tea, whatever I want to drink or whatever I want to have, and then I write down whatever that's in my mind. I recently found out that this is actually called free focus, which means you let your mind wander around some topics, ideas. Without realizing, your brain starts to make some connections between these points and ideas. So I'm not gonna bore you with explaining every decision that I made today or what I'm gonna do to make my new plans and decisions happen. But if you'd like to hear more about this free focus style, I can make a separate video on that. Now I really need to get my abs routine done, and I actually want to mention how I train my abs lately.
Call me when you're free and we can start our own party. So let's go live it up like it's 1999. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like to know what you're thinking, but I'm kind of shy. I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, and I'm not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control the way you make me dance in the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you and me. When the night is over, say you just can't control the way you feel with me.
I recently started to create my own workout sessions, especially when it comes to working my abs, because I realized this way is going to be much more effective because I know my fitness level and I can feel whether the workout is too easy for me or too hard. So with this method, I can actually adjust my workout session based on that. So if I feel it's too easy, I go for harder exercises, and if I feel it's way too hard for me and I feel like I can't follow up with this workout that I'm doing, I just continue with a more easy workout. It may sound it's gonna take time or it's complicated or something complex, but actually it's too easy. For example, I use my iPhone. Let's say I want to do a 10-minute abs workout. I set the timer for 10 minutes. I don't plan my exercises in advance. I mean, as long as you know some basic ab exercises, it's gonna be enough. And I personally do 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and I go on and on like this, and I look at the screen, I listen to my music, and as I said, I listen to my body, and it's really important. And I always make sure that I'm pushing myself a little bit more. So that way I just realized I can go for like a really intense ab workouts, which makes me so happy. One of my goals for this year is to get a flat abs, but flat lower abs. So if that's also your goal and you're struggling with that lower abs area, I will suggest to go with low ab hold exercises. You can try different variations of this, and if you're struggling with ab hold, you can put your legs a little bit up high like this, and you can try to like lower it down. And if you feel like your lower back is not straight, you can take them up again, so you can, you know, play around and find your balance. I actually wasn't planning to talk about like how to get abs and stuff like that, but it just happened to be, and I'm actually super happy with my progress right now. I'm doing some specific workouts and exercises that I would never imagine myself like doing it successfully. So that's why I specifically wanted to share like how I train my abs and how I will get my lower abs hopefully. So I think that was all for me. I always feel like my vlogs are just happening to be like here and there and maybe a little bit short. I don't know. I don't prefer to shoot like really long vlogs because, you know, you don't know if that's gonna get that much views or things like that. So right now I prefer to focus on more structured, beneficial, educational videos. But let me know what you think about that, and if you enjoy, I can put more videos, more like lifestyle vlogs. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick vlog, and thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.